Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Jaguar cars have a mixed reputation for reliability. Historically, Jaguars were known for their performance and luxury, but they also faced criticism over reliability and maintenance costs. In recent years, Jaguar has made significant strides in improving the quality and reliability of their vehicles, as seen in various consumer reliability ratings. However, perceptions vary, and it's wise to consider current models and reviews when assessing their reliability. Like any premium brand, maintenance costs can be higher, but a well-maintained Jaguar can offer a rewarding driving experience.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.